Hi there, can I get a grande iced chai with 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup?
Yeah, grande iced chai.
Bruh.
Sugar.
And can I get a grande iced chai? Then with caramel drizzle and vanilla cold foam.
And that's everything. Thank you.
As if. You remember my matcha order. You don't remember my...
Damn.
Oh my gosh. We got our Starbucks and we're on our way to a farm to go pumpkin picking, apple picking, I don't know. Anyways, we're on the way.
Oh my god, yes.
No pets here. We can't come. We're in this corn maze. Oh god, where do we go now?
We should go left.
Okay. I feel like we're gonna get lost in here. It's kind of spooky. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, wait, where are we going? Oh, this is a dead end. Never mind. Girl, we got to station 2. Period.
Oh, we're at the fucking end.
What?
I don't know, like see the number?
Oh my god, we're lost, right? Another dead end. Wait, no. See, we should have gone the other way, like I said. I'm so smart, guys.
No, me.
Y'all should trust me when we're lost anywhere.
No.
It's really pretty, though. Oh my gosh. Where are we going now?
No fucking
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That way.
Wow, good decision.
I know, I'm trusting my intuition. Oh, girl.
Yeah, now what?
I don't know. Just follow the leader. I'll take us. Is this the exit?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Guys. We did it. Look at that. Period. I'm so happy right now. I thought we got lost there for a second.
I'm dead.
Yeah, it's kind of looking sad, not gonna lie, but... Damn, reminds me how short I am. Oh my god, it's so windy.
Your hair's like flying.
Like, I don't know how you're supposed to pick a pumpkin that's on the vine. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Okay, we found this pumpkin. We're just gonna take photos, but my hair is kind of crazy.
It's my son. He bitches is my sons.
Oh, they have it advertised that you can go apple picking, but there's no freaking apples. All the apples are on the ground. Like, what do you mean? Okay, we just finished. How would you rate that experience?
I'm gonna say like 7 out of 10 for like location,
Yeah.
10 out of 10 for company.
Hey! That took me a million years to register.
Period.
I'm the best.
Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up, you gotta go skate a Rari. Baby, welcome to the party. Bitch, I'm a thot, get me lit.
Never tap if I don't like a hoe. You act like you like it though. Never backtrack if I ain't fucking rich. You can't stay with us, but you might go.
One dance worldwide. MK. I might lose it. Class to the roof, how we lose it.
You show those
We don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe. Ready to get live.
Good morning. It is the next day and today we're gonna be running some errands. So first thing, we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree to get some cobwebs and caution tape because I think I'm decorating my car. Hear me out. It will turn out good. I have a vision in my head, so I really hope it turns out good. And then we have to go fix these nails. Do you see how disgusting they are? Like, excuse me, they're giving spring. It is now spooky season, so come with me to run some errands. Okay, we're on the way. Let's go. we just got to the nail salon. I'm really excited to get rid of these. Here's the inspo that I'm gonna go off of. I'm not really gonna do like orange. I think I'm gonna do pink. So I will catch you when they're done. Look how beautiful. I love it. Hold up. Like, look how stunning that is. This is actually the first time I'm getting matte nails, and I really like them. So pretty. Mwah, Picasso. Now we're gonna go home and decorate my car. Perfect, thank you. You too. That was the longest wait ever. Like, there is no lineup, guys. And I don't know why the hell everyone is so freaking slow. Anyways, okay, I just parked so I could show you guys this drink. I got the iced chai with caramel drizzle and vanilla cold foam. It is super good. I recommend. Listen. Okay, it's time to decorate my car. I fear this is gonna be really messy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we're done. I don't know if it was a fail, but this is what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna be baking these barrel pumpkin cookies that I've been seeing all over TikTok. And we're gonna be using this chocolate chip cookie dough mix. First, we need a stick of soft butter, and then we're just gonna whisk that in that bowl here. Try it. This is so good. Oh my god. I also have my hot chocolate. And I'm just ending off my night with watching anime. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.